My name is Matthew Nadler, Dr. Nadler from Nadler Dentistry, and today we're going to talk about next level dentistry. This is the Promise Vision 3D, and it allows me to do cosmetic dentistry at a level other people simply cannot do. When looking for a microscope, I looked at tons of different companies. When I came across this one, I fell in love with it. I thought it was amazing. And I found out that I was actually the first person in Manhattan to have one, and as far as I know, still the only one. Looking at teeth, dentists need magnification. The more you can see, the better dentistry you can do. Old-fashioned loupes, you can see 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 times the size. With this, we can see up to 28 times. The level of the quality of care, night and day. I can see your tooth magnified on the screen right in front of me. I can angle it to hard to reach places in your mouth that you cannot do the same way with a traditional microscope. One of the amazing features that this has is it has the ability to record and take photos of the procedures as they're being done. So our patients love to see the work as it's happening and after when I can review it through my eyes. They're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. If you're looking to enhance your smile with porcelain veneers or non-invasive composite veneers, come experience our cutting-edge technology here at Nadler Dentistry.